Hey, what up, guys? It's Brian here, Austin Auto Finishes, baby. We got like a cholo hipster thing going on today. I wanted to rock it. It's only like the third time I've ever worn this shirt in like 15 years. But let's check it out. We got the Wednesday walkthrough, baby. Let's do it hot, hot, hot. I want to first off thank everybody in this shop this week is a referral or a repeat client. This one, first shout out goes to Ashley Gonzalez, part of the mayor, the lender team, all the way from Bee Caves, Refine. It's a luxury spa for y'all ladies, for y'all boys. But we got Ricardo's car right here. He pitched a tent and the tent won because we got a big gust of wind and it rubbed all over the car. We got an insurance claim, both sides of the vehicle. We're gonna make it look like new. It's all done. We're gonna finish it out with the ceramic coating and really make the whole entire thing hot, not just the areas that we were paid to. Right here, we got this big red boat. Great guy, Jimmy Brown. We got some wheel bends that turned into wheels that were cracked. Then we're going to paint the calipers white. I think we're gonna add this on. We're gonna do this hood scoop, this hood done in satin black. Gonna add some paint. They're just not matching. Give them a great deal. Keep adding on to the ticket, baby. That's how we do it. Who stays busy? We stay busy. You know why? World-class service experience. World-class service experience, and that's all anybody wants is a good service. So right here, we got the Bob Father, y'all. Y'all saw that deconstruction, that whole unit, whatever, piece, chrome. It's crazy behind this guy. So we're gonna finish this out. Another insurance repair. We put in the new panel. Now we got to wrap it and coat it and put the whole car back together. Got the Bob Father, Bob Fonseca right there, baby. KLBJ, like 33 years on the radio. We got the big baddie right there, the Revology. Gonna get some major work done. Let's cruise on up in here. Got this Model Y right here. Great repeat client. Done some things for the back, done some complimentary things, adding a spoiler, some stuff on the inside. Rob Reeser, appreciate the continued support. Got another baddie Tesla that we just finished right here, almost identical to the same color last week, but we've wrapped this. This one's got a pretty cool wang on it, but yeah, this wrap, this plaid ass, it looks fire. 1 day old, and we got a rim repair. We made that look beautiful, but got everything rocking and rolling on that. Right here, we got William Moses, great repeat client. This is his son's car. We call this Black Mamba, baby, because it's Kobe Moses, you know. Big repair down the right side. We're going above and beyond right now. Look at how bad this car is scratched up. Just wash and do scratches. It's black, it's a Tesla. So complimentary polish for the Mamba man, Kobe Moses. But repairs are over here. Well, gonna really just transform the car. So repairs are here. Claim it, so we got them in a rental car. We got all that going on. But check out this big project, guys. Y'all seen it a little bit in our videos. We have taken all the PPF off, all the old PPF off. We've taken the decals, we've done some paint repairs up on the front, and then we've wrapped the whole car. So everything is wrapped in the clear PPF, full car. We're gonna retint the car. We got some gold powder coming in, California gold. We're gonna powder coat those wheels. We're gonna get the decals back on and finish wrapping it, finish ceramic coatings. This is how you do it. This is our bread and butter. Hit us up. Right here, we got the great Mr. Vanasse. We got 2 times in 2 months. Somebody has hit his trunk. We got a new trunk. We got a new bumper. We got to finish out with full car PPF right there. I don't even know what this one is. Some crazy license plate. I feel like we painted the car. And it looks like we have, so I don't know where it is, but yeah, it's a black Model S, guys. Shoot, sorry, I don't know what we got going on. I think it's a new insurance repair that dropped yesterday. That's why it's so dirty. Everything gets stored inside overnight. And so, yeah, we're going to take the pictures after we wash it up, get it cleaned up, kind of examine it. Got a big old rim repair going on over here. Yeah, this is part of the accident right here. But yeah, I mean, hit us up. Luxury Body Shop. You know, I saw a void in it a couple years ago. Wasn't a great service for my cars. Y'all know that I'm bougie. You know I'm picky. You know I'm crazy OCD. And that's really why we transformed all of our 19,000 plus clients. Most of us still like us. Most of them still like us, so we just thought we could offer a better service at a higher level, more communication. So this one, we got this one in. We're gonna do polish and coatings and different things like that. So y'all will stay tuned for this one. Amazing client, one of my favorite people, retired from Dell. Wink, wink, if you know what I mean. Looks like we took the door out. Right here, so check it out. Gonna hit a door ding right here on this hard body line. It's very subtle. It didn't rip the wrap, and our job is to bring maximum value and things. So by going above and beyond and taking the door apart, he can actually access the back and not have to tamper the wrap on the outside, tapping things down. So we got a minor little door ding here for a Dell Seeger. We got a couple other things. We're gonna clean it. We're gonna go from there. So yeah, it's been a wild Monday and Tuesday. Happy Wednesday. It's beautiful outside. We're blessed to be here one more day, guys. So peace, love y'all a whole lot. Austin Auto finishes.